the huge rate of unemployment, inequalities in wealth creations, resentment and hatred among people, especially youngsters all over the world. The protests against corporates and right-wing politics have risen in many of the developed countries also now. These aspects are very well present in our report. Now, I seek your attention in our AEA's role in the coming struggles against privatization, FDI hike, merger of our four companies, and also the great severe problem of outsourcing of people from outside. You all know this from 1990, 91, 92, the period of general recruitment in our industry. These batches are all retiring in the coming 1 or 2 years. There is a huge dearth in the number of assistant people. This severe problem we are facing nowadays. So more recruitment is needed, as our president has already mentioned. And in this scenario, we come across lots of inquiries, lots of informations, lots of suggestions from our officers, from our working, our comrades also. Regarding AEA's role in strengthening and building up strong resistance in matters like wage revision, office courses, etc. Since the last 5 years, we have attained the leading supreme role in the process of struggle and consolidation and strengthening of our own officers' associations and other unions also. It is all reflected in our conversation with the hundreds of officers we come across during KSG's wide campaigns all over Kerala during this year. All officers are appreciating and very keen to hear from us, get updates on the latest developments in our industry also. But the making of a joint Class 3 and a Class 1 union in our industry is a tiresome and risky task. GIE is now experiencing this problem. Many of the officers joined in their union are now telling us during our campaign, all Kerala basis, last 1-2 weeks. They are telling us. These officers who joined in GIE is telling that GIE has failed to protect their interests. Even this wage revision stand they have taken, they are facing criticism from their own members. So we have to be more careful in making a concept of a joint union as our nowadays. Many of our officers are not mature or consistent in ideologically, or they are afraid of governments or management's stern actions against them. So even in these serious issues like privatization, FDI hike, lateral entry, outsourcing, etc., most of the officers' associations are keeping mum or afraid of making any clear-cut stand. Even when speaking with us, they tells us a lot of things like that. But in a protest demonstration against FDI hike or against branch closures or against privatization, see these demonstrations they are coming, okay. But any other campaign like massive interaction with the people all around their area, they are not like to attend. They are not like to come with us. This is a serious thing we must consider in future. In strike actions, we can see what remains. So this aspect we must consider in